Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Find X2 Neo, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, we should hold for a while our device screen with a finger, and then we'll see somewhere the widgets icon. Just click once on this icon, and after that we can see here all the available applications which widgets we can add to our device home screen. For example, we can add the calendar, month view, or the schedule. Just let's hold the widget and drag it to the home screen to add it. If you want to resize the widget, you should hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller by this way. Just to move widget here on the screen or between the screens, we should hold it and then just drag it. As you can see, that's so simple. Also, we can create the new screens with the widget, and just to remove it from the home screen, you should hold it and just click to remove icon and confirm your action by click to remove widget button. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.